How to log out phantom wallet account. Hello everyone, welcome back to this video where I'm going to show you how you can easily log yourself out from your phantom wallet account. For that, what you need to do is you need to first launch your phantom wallet application. Here on the home page you will be able to see this gear icon, so you need to tap on it. Here you will be able to see a bunch of different options that would help you to manage your phantom account. But as we want to log out from phantom wallet account, among these options you need to select the security and privacy. Here you will be able to see the reset of app option. So if you tap on this option, you will be landed on this page that says reset and wipe app. Here you will be able to see the prompt that says this will remove all of your existing accounts and data, so make sure that you have your secret phrase and private key backed up. So here you just have to tap on the continue button in the bottom right hand corner of the screen, and then you will be able to log out of your phantom wallet account. If you want to re-log in, then you need to again provide your login credentials, basically your 12 words of your recovery phrase. Only then you will be able to log in into your account again. I hope this video was helpful, and if it was, then don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.